Hello there, warriors. Fruits are Mother Nature's most prized treasures. Fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, which contribute to our body's natural defense mechanisms, as well as metabolic processes. Research suggests that consuming a diet rich in fruits and vegetables may even have a protective effect against certain types of cancer. We have all heard of cancer as the most devastating illness, but do you know how it really affects the body? Let's imagine our body as a small town. This town's operation and maintenance is taken care of by the cells and tissues. They have a master plan based on your body's genetic code, which specifies when to build and when to repair, so that the controlled construction does not impact the town's network. Now, cancer is like a group of mutinous cells that are carrying out illegal construction, ignoring the town's master plan. This haphazard building causes disruption in the town's networks, and if not stopped, these cancer cells might continue unauthorized building in the entire neighborhood, encroaching on land that was meant for the town's other functions. No need to worry, ladies and gentlemen. While cancer is as threatening as it sounds, if detected early, the cancer cells can be effectively removed from the body. Better yet, with a balanced diet with rich vegetables and fruits, you can inhibit the growth of the cancer cells and prevent cancer. Let's explore the wonders of fruits and all their amazing benefits. Stay tuned to find out the 8 fruits that can prevent cancer in this ultimate guide to fruits against cancer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. Number 1. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are known for their vibrant colors, which are indicative of their high antioxidant content. Anthocyanins are a type of flavonoid that gives berries their rich colors, ranging from red and blue to purple. Along with polyphenols, flavonoids, and vitamin C, these compounds have been extensively studied for their antioxidant properties. They help protect cells from oxidative stress, a process that can contribute to the initiation and progression of cancer. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, DNA, and other cellular structures. This damage can lead to mutations and disruptions in normal cell function, potentially contributing to the development of cancer. The antioxidants in berries work by neutralizing these free radicals, helping to reduce the risk of cellular damage. Beyond antioxidants, berries contain other bioactive compounds that may contribute to cellular protection. These compounds may influence cellular signaling pathways, gene expression, and apoptosis, or programmed cell death, helping to maintain healthy cell function and prevent the survival and proliferation of cancer cells. Some studies suggest that the bioactive compounds in berries may even interfere with the growth and survival of cancer cells. They may exhibit anti-angiogenic effects, inhibiting the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need for sustained growth. By limiting angiogenesis, berries may contribute to hindering the progression of cancer. While many studies have been conducted in cell cultures and animal models, epidemiological studies in humans have also explored the potential association between berry consumption and cancer prevention. Number 2. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are renowned for their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals in the body. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Citrus fruits, rich in vitamin C, can contribute to maintaining this balance. By reducing oxidative stress, citrus fruits may help mitigate the risk of cellular damage that could lead to cancer development. Chronic inflammation is associated with an increased risk of cancer. Vitamin C, along with other bioactive compounds in citrus fruits, may have anti-inflammatory effects. In addition to vitamin C, citrus fruits contain various phytochemicals, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which have demonstrated antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may work synergistically to contribute to the overall cancer protective effects of citrus fruits. Some studies suggest that citrus fruits may play a role in promoting detoxification processes in the body. Compounds found in citrus fruits, such as limonoids, have been investigated for their potential to enhance detoxification enzymes, which may contribute to reducing the risk of certain cancers. Number 3. Apples. Apples are rich in quercetin, a flavonoid with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin has been studied for its ability to neutralize free radicals, which can cause DNA damage and mutations, potentially contributing to the initiation and progression of cancer. Apples are a good source of dietary fiber, including both soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber has been associated with a lower risk of colorectal cancer. It promotes regular bowel movements, which can help eliminate potentially harmful substances from the digestive tract. Beyond quercetin, apples contain various phytochemicals, such as catechins and procyanidins. These compounds have been studied for their potential anti-cancer effects. Catechins, for example, have been linked to the inhibition of cancer cell growth. The potential protective effects of apples against cancer may involve multiple mechanisms. These include the modulation of inflammation, regulation of cellular processes, and the provision of bioactive compounds that contribute to overall cellular health. Number 4. Kiwi. Kiwi is considered nutrient-dense, meaning it provides a high concentration of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds relative to its calorie content. This makes it a valuable addition to a healthful diet that supports overall well-being. Kiwi is exceptionally rich in vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of cancer. Beyond vitamin C, kiwi contains other antioxidants, including polyphenols and carotenoids. These compounds contribute to the fruit's overall antioxidant capacity, helping to combat oxidative damage in the body. Kiwi is a good source of dietary fiber, including both soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber is essential for digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements and maintaining a healthy gut microbiota. Several studies have explored the relationship between dietary fiber intake and the risk of colorectal cancer. While specific research on kiwi's role in preventing cancer is ongoing, incorporating kiwi into a well-balanced diet can contribute to overall health. The combination of antioxidants, vitamin C, and dietary fiber in kiwi supports a healthy immune system, aids digestion, and provides essential nutrients. Number 5. Grapes. Grapes, especially in their skins and seeds, contain resveratrol, a natural polyphenol. Resveratrol has gained attention for its potential health benefits, including antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. By scavenging these free radicals, antioxidants like resveratrol may contribute to protecting cells from oxidative damage. Some laboratory studies and animal experiments have suggested that resveratrol may inhibit the growth of cancer cells. It is believed to interfere with various stages of cancer development, including the initiation, promotion, and progression of tumors. Inflammation is known to create an environment conducive to the growth and spread of cancer cells. Resveratrol's anti-inflammatory properties may help mitigate inflammation in the body, potentially reducing the risk of cancer. While the focus is often on cancer prevention, resveratrol in grapes has also been associated with cardiovascular health. It may contribute to the dilation of blood vessels, potentially improving blood flow and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. A healthy cardiovascular system is generally associated with overall well-being. Grapes also contain various other bioactive compounds, such as flavonoids and quercetin, which also exhibit antioxidant properties. The combination of these compounds may contribute to the overall health benefits of grapes. Number 6. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are rich in bioactive compounds, including punicalagins and anthocyanins. Punicalagins are potent antioxidants found in the juice and peel of the fruit, while anthocyanins contribute to the vibrant red color and provide additional antioxidant properties. Punicalagins and anthocyanins in pomegranates act as antioxidants, significantly reducing oxidative stress in the body. Several studies have investigated the potential anti-cancer effects of pomegranate compounds. These studies have explored the ability of pomegranates to inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, which is a programmed cell death process. Apoptosis is a crucial mechanism for preventing the uncontrolled growth of damaged or abnormal cells, a hallmark of cancer. Angiogenesis is the process by which new blood vessels form, supplying nutrients to growing tumors. Some research suggests that compounds in pomegranates may inhibit angiogenesis, potentially limiting the blood supply to cancer cells and impeding their growth. Pomegranates may also have protective effects against hormone-dependent cancers, such as breast and prostate cancer, due to the potential role of pomegranates in modulating hormone levels and receptors associated with these cancers. Number 7. Avocado. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. Monounsaturated fats are considered heart-healthy because they can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. A heart-healthy diet is often associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers. Avocados contain various carotenoids, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These compounds have potent antioxidant properties. Avocados are a good source of vitamin E, particularly in the form of alpha-tocopherol. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Some studies have suggested that adequate vitamin E intake may be associated with a lower risk of certain cancers. Some compounds in avocados, including carotenoids and monounsaturated fats, may have anti-inflammatory effects. By reducing inflammation, avocados may contribute to a less favorable environment for cancer development. While more research is needed, some studies have explored the potential anti-cancer effects of specific avocado compounds. For example, a 2013 study published in the journal Seminars in Cancer Biology suggested that certain bioactive compounds in avocados may inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells. Avocados are also a great source of dietary fiber. Fiber plays a role in digestive health and may contribute to a lower risk of colorectal cancer. Additionally, a diet rich in fiber can support overall health and well-being. Number 8. Tomato. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, tomato is a fruit, and it is a powerhouse in the war against cancer. Tomatoes are particularly rich in lycopene, a carotenoid pigment responsible for their vibrant red color. Lycopene's antioxidant properties play a crucial role in protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. By neutralizing these free radicals, lycopene helps maintain cellular integrity and may contribute to reducing the risk of cancer development. Numerous studies have investigated the potential anti-cancer effects of lycopene. Some research, particularly focused on prostate cancer, has suggested that a higher intake of lycopene-rich foods, such as tomatoes, may be associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, especially prostate cancer. Tomatoes contain a variety of other compounds, including vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin A, minerals, and additional antioxidants. The synergistic effects of these compounds, combined with lycopene, contribute to the overall health benefits of tomatoes. Beyond potential cancer prevention, it may contribute to reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases by helping to lower blood pressure and improve blood vessel function. Oh my dear warriors, your life can change tremendously by simply following a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, mindfulness, and exercise. Make sure to include lots of fruits in your diets to not only keep cancer at bay, but also keep your body in optimal condition. Cheers to wellness and health. This is Wellness Warriors with another life-changing experience on how to take control of your healthy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the latest health tips and tricks to a better life. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on Wellness Warriors.